Welcome to the video overview of the First Alert wireless interconnect alarms. There are many different types of smoke alarms for your home, and for whole home coverage, there's no better option than an interconnected smoke alarm. Instead of your smoke alarms operating independently from one another, interconnected smoke alarms work as an interlinked system. That means if one goes off, the rest of the alarms will sound as well, giving you the earliest warning to danger possible, no matter where you are in the home. For example, if there's a fire in the basement, you may not hear the smoke alarm right away. If you use interconnected alarms, they'll all signal at once when there's smoke detected in your home. This can alert you to dangerous fires sooner and increase your chances of getting out safely. Past interconnected alarm systems were hardwired to each other through your home's electrical system in order to work properly. Now, thanks to wireless technology, these wireless interconnected alarms are easy to install and eliminate the need for a wired connection. You can connect up to 16 First Alert alarms in your home with wireless interconnect, all without the need for wires and entirely battery operated. This means you can expand your alarm's reach at any time simply by setting up a new wireless interconnect alarm with no hassle. Some frequently asked questions are, can I connect my First Alert alarms to other branded alarms? First Alert alarms do not form an interconnected system with other branded alarms. If you'd like to create a wireless interconnected system, use only First Alert branded alarms. I already have a hardwired system. Can I connect this to my First Alert wireless interconnect system? All First Alert wireless interconnect products are wireless. However, you will be able to hardwire your alarms into your home's electrical system using the hardwired version of the First Alert interconnected alarm. This acts as a bridge unit between your existing hardwired alarms and your new wireless alarms. First Alert wireless interconnected alarms also come with a voice location feature that reveals the exact location of the threat in your home. When one alarm is triggered, all the interconnected alarms will voice the location of the danger. The alarm comes with pre-programmed voiced locations including basement, kitchen, child's bedroom, living room, dining room, and more. If the alarm set in your kitchen senses smoke, all of your First Alert wireless interconnected alarms will announce, warning, evacuate, smoke in the kitchen. This feature allows for the maximum in whole home protection. Not only do First Alert wireless interconnect alarms detect smoke, but some have the ability to detect the silent killer carbon monoxide. By using a combination alarm such as the First Alert wireless interconnect talking battery operated smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, or simply adding the First Alert interconnect battery operated carbon monoxide alarm to your already existing wireless interconnect system, your whole house will now be warned if carbon monoxide is detected. For more information on First Alert wireless interconnect technology, a full list of wireless interconnect alarms we offer, or to purchase these products, visit www.firstalertstore.com.